What's up, y'all? It's your girl Love Mary here, and oh my goodness, I'm so glad to be back. Listen to me. I am so excited to show you guys my meat substitutions that have been working for me for over a year, and oh my gosh, we are about to go into all of it. They're super cheap. I went from paying literally $70 something to just literally 30 or less for meat, and I don't even have to do it all the time, so it makes it so much easier. And I cannot wait for you guys to see this. I cannot wait for you guys to do this. If you do decide to do this, listen, you have to do this, okay? Now, I'm gonna be very honest with you. I do not want to I don't want to tell you what stores I get them from, because every area is different. But I will say that you should be able to find this at your local supermarket, okay? Let's get into it. Number uno. This is one of my favorites. My favorites. This is what made me want to try other meat, or other plant-based meat. Number one is going to be the Garden plant-based ground beef. I want to make sure I say the exact thing. So this is what it looks like. Y'all, when I tell you that you can do so many amazing things with this, I am not kidding. Oh my gosh. First off, I don't just do tacos. When I do my spaghetti, I tried it with my lasagna. It hits. It's almost like I'm not missing anything at all, and I love it. Even when you go to Taco Bell, and everybody has to love like the little quesadilla where you get the ground beef and just the cheese. I do that all the time with this, and it feels so good knowing that I'm not missing out on my favorites. This right here is wonderful for burritos as well. Trust me when I tell you, this is my all-time favorite. I don't know what I would do without it. I eat it religiously. Okay, I have done so many different meals, especially my green goddess salad. I definitely want to make sure I do a video on that one because it's one of my faves. And this is the star, and it is so good. Trust me when I tell you, this right here, you're not missing any meat. You're just not. All you gotta do is season it right, and baby, you are going to be in love, okay? Okay. Coming in at number 2. Oh my gosh, y'all. This right here is the Beyond steak, and it literally, I'm not missing nothing. I'm trying to tell you, this is one of the ones at my supermarket that is always almost gone, and I'd be so sad. When I say I could do steak and egg burritos, I could do steak, rice, and broccoli. I've done a Philly cheesesteak sliders. Oh my gosh, you can do anything with this, and it tastes like steak when you bite it and everything. You know how it has like that little gummy taste sometimes when you got that real good steak. I don't know why this is so good, but it really is. I was literally looking in the back of the package and everything. Like, I was like, are you sure this is not steak? I was kind of scared, like, you know. But nah, this is definitely not steak, and it is so good. You can put it on the skillet, in the oven. You can fry it. You can do whatever you want to it, and it is going to taste amazing. Oh my gosh. So I just wanted to express this, y'all. This is one of my this right here is my baby right here. When I say it's my favorite, this right here, like, I love this one. You have to make sure that you try it. Okay, this is vegan approved, so I do want to make sure I say that as well. Another cool thing, you can put it in the air fryer. So if you're an air fryer person, you can definitely put it in the air fryer and you'll be definitely okay. So yeah, I mean, absolutely amazing. It is low in saturated fat. Let me say that, and it's about 21 grams of protein. So you are going to get pretty much everything that you need for this. So if you're looking for a meat replacement, you want to still make sure you're getting your gains. I definitely still have my gains, changing my diet, and I have to thank these substitution meats, okay? And also, this is toddler approved. So the first one is toddler approved, The second one is toddler approved, okay? My daughter absolutely loves these and she eats them with me. We love them. Literally, 10 out of 10. Number 3 is going to be my absolute next fave, especially when I want to have like Chinese food night, you know, when you go to the Chinese store and you just want some fried rice, some egg rolls and all of that, but you want some wings to go with it. This right here, y'all, is called sweet chili cauliflower wings. They come in all different types of flavors. I have tried doing the cauliflower wings myself. That is a challenge that I am still working on. I want to make sure I make it perfect. But in the meantime, this is helping me make sure I understand how it's supposed to be done. This is so easy to make. It is so yummy to put in the pan, air fryer, microwave. You pretty much can do anything. It's super quick and easy to make. And on top of that, it is packed with flavor. It comes with 2 packings of the sauce, the sweet and chili sauce. And they come already fried. So it is so good. Just roll them up in there, and I eat this with just some vegan fried rice and some vegetable egg rolls, and oh my gosh, I'm just the happiest person because I feel like I still get to eat my faves. And so that's why I'm saying this right here is just so easy and it's so yummy, packed with flavor. And I will tell you, it doesn't give you a bone-in feel, it gives you a boneless feel, okay? So I want to make sure I express that too. No, this is definitely giving a boneless feel, and it is so yummy. It's worth it, and I'm telling you guys, once you get hooked on these, make your own ranch sauce and just smother it in it and just tear it up. You are going to be the happiest person alive, like me. I love this, okay? And it smells so good. Listen, another one of my favorites, y'all. You gotta definitely get this. Now, but did not say as well, everything that I've stated so far, like the ground beef here, that one is approximately about $4 to $5 depending on where you're located. The Beyond Steak here, that one is typically about $7 to $6 is what I normally pay for it. But think about it, steak now is almost like $30, $40. You gotta pick and choose, baby. And I love that one. I'm gonna get my taste every time. This one around about $5, maybe even $6. But so it doesn't really cost me a lot to get this either. But this is yummy. This right here is so yummy. Next we have my next fave. This is also one that my daughter absolutely loves. And this is just some regular chicken nuggets. So if you are a chicken nugget girly, and what I like to do is this, I don't know about any moms, especially if you're a mom and you're trying to get your child to eat more vegetables, this right here is super good. Not to mention the fact, what I like to do, don't judge me, my daughter, she loves McDonald's, so I would literally just make her some fresh fries, some fresh potato fries, and pop these inside of the oven. Put a little seasoning on it so that it tastes really good. Sweet and sour sauce, and it's like nothing ever happened. It's a dream come true. When I say these are so good, I am not gonna lie to you. I love Morningstar. This is 100% plant protein. So you're still gonna get everything that you need out of it. You can put it in the oven, air fryer, microwave. I normally just put mine in the oven. You know, it doesn't take that long to cook it all. And that's the one thing I absolutely love. And this is for vegan. There is no animal hormones or antibiotics inside of this, okay? So I want to also make sure I express that too. So if you're worried about that, you don't have to, because this right here is 100% safe for kids as well. And yes, oh, so good. All you gotta do is season the way that you like your chicken nuggets to be seasoned. And that's it. Pop them things in the oven and your baby is going to chew on these all day. Like, these are so good. This is gonna round you for about $5 to maybe even like $6. So it honestly, again, it just depends on your supermarket. But for mine's, okay, because mine's loves me, it's about $5. But yeah, I'm just saying, definitely this is one that you really gotta get. I absolutely love it, and yeah, make sure you get this one. It's needed. Coming in at number 5 is going to be the smoked apple and sage plant-based sausage. Y'all, when I say to you, this one shocked me so bad. Oh my god. It's absolutely delicious. Like, oh my goodness. And I want to tell you really quick, a really quick thing that I have done that's helped me with me eating the plant-based sausage, so I still get that sausage feel, you know. So what definitely has helped me is going to be making sure 2 things, okay? 2 things. You want to make sure that you have some type of coarse salt, sea salt, anything of that nature, because it's going to give it that flavor that it needs. It's already packed with lots and lots of flavor, but just a little bit of that salt is going to go a long way. The last thing you're gonna need, I like to do red wine vinegar. Red wine vinegar, I don't know about you guys, but anytime when I would ever work with sausage, that's the one thing I would use to give it that smoky kind of taste to it, and it definitely worked. So when I tell you, if that is something that you want to try, if this is something that you want to try, you gotta try it. This is gonna run you about $7 to $8, but it's so worth it. And it's so yummy. You get about 4 in a pack. It comes like this. And oh my goodness. So good. And so worth it. And then once I learned how to put the salt and I learned how to put the red wine vinegar, I can eat a sausage again and feel like, oh my God. And it's not meat, but it tastes like meat. I'm blessed. I can't even lie to you. It's so good, so worth it. So I wanted to make sure I let you guys know that this one right here is such a worth it one. It is 100% plant-based. You can do pretty much everything as I stated before. Honest suggestion would be to definitely try to just like fry it, bake it. I wouldn't put it in the microwave, and I'm pretty sure you could put it in the air fryer. But oh my goodness, filled roast, super good. Can't wait to try more. And yeah, 100% vegan, guys. I love this. This is so good. Now, last but not least, y'all, I don't know about you guys, but for me, how I grew up with the grits and the eggs and the sausage, okay? And when I tell you, this one right here is absolutely a shocker for me. I was nervous because I was like, if this is nasty. That's what I kept saying. If this is nasty. But y'all, I just seasoned it really good. I did the red wine vinegar trick. And y'all, in the morning, you got your sausage again. This is the Beyond Breakfast Sausage plant-based patties. And when I tell you, they are so yummy, so good, so worth it. I was so shocked. I was not expecting for it to taste like sausage. This morning I had me some waffles and some eggs, and I had some sausage, and I can say that now, and knowing for a fact that this is 100% healthy and plant-based, it struck me on a whole nother level. So when I tell you this right here is 100% worth it, believe me when I say, you gotta get this one, especially if you miss those good morning breakfasts. And I also have a vegan style biscuit with sausage and the gravy, and it's all vegan. Nothing in it is bad at all. And y'all, when I tell you it tastes just like the real thing at Hardee's, I'm not playing. So if you want me to make that as a recipe on here, I could definitely, if you want me to make that for you guys on here, I definitely can. I just wanted to say, this right here, I literally, my head just exploded. I was like, I finally can get back to eating egg the right way. Y'all, this is good. This is gonna run you from approximately about $5 to $7, depending on your location. Well guys, those were all of my favorites. Those are everything that I've been doing so far. As you can see, I'm definitely not missing no meals. We're not just chewing on lettuce over here. We actually get to make some really cool meals with these meats, and not to mention the fact I didn't spend a whole lot of money on it, and I don't have to worry about anything that could possibly harm me. So with that being said, I would have to say this is honestly one of the best things that you can do on your journey of eating healthier, as well as losing that weight. For me, this is all of the meats that I did, and guess what? I still lost 135 pounds. I still have my gains. I'm still 100% healthy, and I'm absolutely grateful for literally taking on to this journey. So when I noticed that this is something that people wanted to know about, I said I need to show you guys. Once I discovered this, I said I need to show you guys. You have to try this. This is so worth it on so many levels. It's easy to store. On top of that, lastly, let me state I haven't experienced any spoiling. I haven't experienced of opening up anything and seeing anything unnatural. Everything I've experienced so far has been absolutely amazing, and I've just been so happy ever since I transformed into doing this. So if you guys absolutely enjoyed this video, and you guys enjoy all of my substitutions for meat, and you want to know any more of my awesome substitutions so I can still eat whatever I want, including some delicious dessert, then please let me know down below. And also don't forget, make sure you follow me here on my Instagram, alrighty? And make sure that you follow me here as well on my TikTok. We have fun on there. So again, thank you for joining in. And always remember, guys, you are the light. Bye.